I want to show a little bit more of an advanced method to install the brushes for Clip Studio on an Android device. So here I'm on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and we're going to use the split screen view in order to install the brushes without having to import into Clip Studio and then install them individually. So what you'll need to do is open up your My Files program, which I have here, and you'll see your files, which we have the dbrush set compressed zip. We will select it, and then you will need to select extract. This will take it into its own folder, which you can see here. If I go back, we now have the dbrush set folder, and you will see all of your files in there, which are SUT files. So now what we're going to do is go into a split screen view with Clip Studio. So you'll need to open Clip Studio if you haven't already. Then when you hold down on your home button, you can pull up a screen like this. And then you will select the icon of the program or the app. And then from here you will select open in split screen view. Now it gives you the option for your second window, which you will select your My Files program, and it will take you into split screen view. So now we want to install our brushes. So from any one of these categories, you can just choose one. We're going to install one first because I want to be able to separate this out onto my tool panel. So what I'm going to do is select the Oil Soft. You see, if I touch it, it's going to bring up the search menu for an app, which I'm going to hit cancel. So what you need to do is hold down on it, and that will bring up your selection menu. So from here, we'll hold down again, and you will see that it allows me to drag the file. So once I drag it over here into the tool panel, it will have the little plus sign. I'll drop it there, and now we have the brush imported into Clip Studio. So what I'm going to do now is hold down on it and drag over to the tool panel. Now you will see that the tool has removed itself from the panel, and we have it over here by itself in its own panel. Okay, so we have the D-Oils brush ready to go. We're going to hold down on the other tools, and then we're going to drag our finger down all the way. This will select all of them. So now you'll notice down here you have 10 items selected, and that's the remainder of the brushes. We'll hold down in the empty space again. This will pick up all 10, and you drag it over to your tool panel. Now you will have it imported in pretty much 2 steps. So what I want to do is you will click and drag from the middle here all the way to the left. That will maximize your screen again. And now you can organize your brushes and create your quick access panel, similar to the other tutorial video that I've created for installing brushes.